Ikran seebay ku dhacdaa in dhulkeennii la qaato isugu yeedh dhalinyarada ha loo yeedho qaadhaankii waanu ururinay ha la laayo annagu reer maroodi soo ma nihin aabba sug hawl baan ku jiraa sug sow reer maroodi ma nihin annagu say ku dhacdaa dhulkeennii la qaato aabba aan waqti kuwa helo hawl muhiimaan ku jiraa seebay ku dhacday
maxaad tiri
odaygii reerku waa
aniga soo celi islaamaan xun way igu kibreen allah haye maxaa kala dhacay allah naagahan xun wallaahi bilaa way dhibaan maxay kala dhahde maxay kartaa iga tag bax iga tag haye sii wad sheekada
W's in the chat! Bro, move, man!
Yo, what's up with you, fam?
Move.
What are you doing?
Chat, get a load of this guy, man. Oh my God, thank you for the roses.
Why are you putting me on camera, bro?
Ice cream so good. Well, anyways,
boy, look at this.
Enough, please, enough.
Anyways,
Can you get me off
guys,
camera?
basically, man, gosh.
Wait, hold on, look. You trying to
Bro,
go here?
no, I'm not, bro. You want to be in the live or not? Decide. Okay, I didn't think so. Anyways, basically.
What is this, bro? My dad is talking about politics. My mom's talking about skincare with her friends. And my sister? Yo, don't even get me started on her. I'm so sick of this. Nobody's giving me any attention. Like, who am I supposed to talk to? Oh. Abdirahman.
Mohamed.
What are you doing here?
I was just passing by, bro. I was going to the library. How are you?
Alhamdulillah, bro. Everything's good other than school, bro. Like, I'm failing 2 out of 4 of my classes, bro.
No.
Yeah,
bro. Bro, I was about to go study. I'm going to the library right now.
Yeah?
If you want to come, they do free tutoring, bro.
Library sounds good and all, but it's kind of boring, you know?
Yo! What's up?
Yo, what you doing?
I'm chilling. How you been? Who's this guy?
That's my friend Abdirahman, bro.
Abdirahman, bro. Nice to meet you.
Bro, move around.
Yo, what's up with you, fam? Nice.
Listen. You know the people that jumped you last week? They're at the club, bro. Come on.
Jab'ala.
Yes.
Mohamed, who's this?
That's my closest friend, Asad, bro.
But don't worry about it. Listen, let's go. You know you're trying to get lit.
Ahmed, you going? Come on, bro. Let's go to the library.
Bro, you really want to listen to Sid the Science Kid? Come on, fam.
Ahmed, let's go.
I gotta do something real quick, fam.
Hey.
I'll come back.
Hey, it was nice meeting you.
Yo, what's up with you, fam? Yo, what's up?
Come on, bro. Don't listen to him, fam. Let's go.
أنا بريان يرى شن شبان دول خودي كتير ويعبي كان حنا يوغر كدركي سيدا سالو كتير كريا إلهي بنا له ويل كان حن وأنا أفرك ودي رويا هسوقك هذا
Hello, assalamu alaikum. Thank you for inviting me here. I know this must have been really difficult.
أول مع المدى.
ما تسمعك.
Okay.
Your son, you know, he's a really nice kid, and I really enjoy having him in class. But he's not been doing really good. And at the rate that he's going, he's not going to graduate.
My son.
Yes, your son.
That's not my son. Wiilkayga ma aha.
maxay tidhi
waxay dhahay wiilkaas koob ka dhacoya
ma garto maalinkaad bilisteeshii ka soo iibinaysay
Maaniga!
inuu dhici
Maaniga!
anuu faarna idin ciyaaraya
Jibin! War kaalay!
Wait, maxaa samaynaysiin?
Kaalay fadhiiso. Maxaa ka qaldan?
adaa ugu wac waxaasoo tollaayo
Sug, bal dhegayso. What? He needs wuxuu inkaga baahan yahay caawinaad, dhiirigelin, inaad waqti la qaadatid, aad caawisid, hadal dabacsan kula hadashid.
habal dabacsan baa noo hadhayba anaa garanaya haddaana shaqo ka qaban adiga iyo isaga iyo bilisteeshinka iyo tv-gaba shaqaan idinka qabanaya
oh no oh Harun you're there
khasaaro والله يا أخو خسارة كاس هلو ها هو محمد داير أبي لا حرية وحكي لك حرية لا حكالي
ما حدا
لا حلوي الكاجي
يا لحر محمد
حكي جوجا
الله
هاي نمري والله يا طلع
Hello
Hey, how are you?
Good
Hello Mohamed me father Dahir me bond please the bond
He wants to bail our brother out of prison jail
Oh, what's his name?
Mohamed Dahir
Oh, Dahir. Oh, give me 1 second.
okay
Is it Dahir as D as in David?
محيد up
A as,
D as in A
is it A as in Apple?
A as in apple
H as in Henry?
Yes
I as in Igloo?
Yes Yes Damn
شو آخرية يا يوم
magaciisa wuxuu dhahay beelka waxa waay 10,000
wagar iyo 10,000 anuma guri baan gadanayaa waaradeer waxa inta iska daysay wiilka waad xirateene 2,000 iska qaato ii soo deeya 10,000 ku maxay ahay
What about 2K? Steak. wuxuu dhahay waa steak policy Allah
maxaa ka khaldan
Abo
dad diiba hadda nagu dishaa hadda dhiiga ma la bixin karno
Abo waa wiilka maxamed ku fadhiistay
makaniga garhka weyn baa ku fadhiistay waariyaahay kartoo iyo hawli kanna waxaad u dhashay inuu ciyaalku ku fadhiisto haddaanan adiga kaa jirin
wallahi soo baxada walaal iska keen صح
صعوريا waxaad socoto waryaa halka silacaan kuu keenay soo moogid
calm down, nothing happened.
kaadi baan dartaa u soo cabay si aad halkan ugu raaxaysato adda maalin baa lagu xidhayaa waa lagugu fadhiisanayaa wax matara tahay
But it wasn't my fault.
tolaayo
عايز
kani ma aduu waxaan kaa raacay dhaqankan aniga ma raacin
أبو كراعي
way walla inaan ku khasaaray
Hoy, I got Ali there, bro. What's going on?
ويلك داف
inaad feedhaha lagaaga fadhiisto haddaan iminkaan kaga fadhiisanayo
Mohamed,
Oh, Abdirahman.
how you doing?
I'm good, bro. What are you doing here?
Bro, I came to visit you, bro. You went to jail. It's not a joke. You okay?
ma kii jeelka ku geliya
No, but this is my friend.
Adero, ani wahana hay saifihan. Ani Mohamed.
adeer carabka ma qayb baa ku go'an
But be nice.
maxaa nice wallahi af Soomaaliga dib baa ka haysta
Adero, ani wafi anahay. Ani school library taga.
raamoolow waan kaa shikiyey dhibaatooluhuba waa adiga
Adero, ani maha Adero.
waa kuma haddaan aniga ahayn waa kee
Why are you yelling? Oh, you lucky I read books. Kan waaye. Kan waaye.
kan arag xun leh homeless-kii jidadka seexaray la moodo
Hey, Shadak's gonna. Get your pops. Why is he grabbing me? You got jumped. Why is he grabbing me? I helped you. Why did he make me like a bad guy?
What do you mean help, bro? I was just in jail.
Because you went to give back for the people that did something to you.
Mohamed, he didn't help you. If anything, he got you in this.
What are you talking about? I helped you. I just didn't get caught. That was you.
Mohamed, the reason why you're here today is because of him.
How? People did something to you last week. Was that me? No. I just told you where they was.
Mohamed, he's no good for you, bro.
And
I
he
told you.
is?
I'm telling you, he's no good for you, bro.
Yo, just stop. Asad's my close friend. I know him for so long. He helped me with everything. Abdirahman, I only knew him for 6 months. And he actually wants me to succeed. Like, he wants good for me. He wants me to chase my dreams and passions. So do I go with Asad? Or do I go with Abdirahman? I know what I gotta do. I know what I gotta do.
Mohamed, I'm telling you, bro, this guy is no good for you. You're a grown man. You're a grown man now.
You a grown man? You was a little boy hiding in the corners. Who's gonna help you when you trying to chase your dreams?
Mohamed, if you want to chase your dreams and be a good kid, look at him. You can't follow this. You can't follow this. You can't.
What is you gonna do when you got a house and a car? Somebody come to you? What is you gonna do? No. You better stand your ground. You a man now. You went to jail. Guess what? You a man. You better not back down for nothing.
Mohamed, real men make their family proud.
Real men don't get beat up.
You don't know nothing about being a real man, bro. My mom's just crying right now because of what you did to me.
Me. You got beat up, not me.
And where were you?
I ran. There's too many police. What you want me to do? Go to Hapsi too?
Mohamed, he gets you in, he can't get you out. He's gonna do it again.
Listen, man. Everything we've been through,
that's done, bro. I'm not trying to hear no more. I'm going Abdirahman, fam.
After I had your back, when you had nothing, when you called me when I had nothing to do with it and I still came and protected you.
That's dead, bro. I'm done, bro.
When you get beat up again, don't call me. Go to Hapsi.
I don't know. Wait, hold on. Yo, I gotta talk to my pops real quick, bro. I'm gonna catch you. Can you wait in the car?
Oh, yeah, I'll wait in the car, don't worry.
Hi.
ها الله أدونك وأنكو خساري ورابو طاهرو
Yeah.
أبو الرير كي قبيل كسانو قول لين شري وادي يوجا من شهاد ودوام بيجا سوا حالي وقت كي يجينا وانتيا أيوة كم بميت بميل لو حرايا أبو ما أنت لقى بالله وحنقو عنصري هنتي ذا بديد كيجا مرو كيجا مال كيجا إن إذا كيدين كشدو on xabsiga idinka ilaaliyo on aqoon-yahana idinka soo saaraabo maanta laga bilaabo waxaad ogaataa inaan ku jecelnahay waqti kula qaadanayno horumarkaaga aan jecelnahay qabiil dambe iguma ogidaabo maxay ii qabtaan way mariyeen aabo saasay noo balana soo marxaba maaha kale aabo fariid kaasiga aabo ma sha Allah